Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna share something with you. So I have something here that I would love to share with you. So that is the cases for Windows Server 2012 and Windows Server 2008. So this file we help you with some information about the key from the cards from the virtual servers for the you will need it to active your virtual access connection or desktop remote control. So what we have to do is we have to click down here the file and click and open or abrir. I am inviting you first to subscribe and follow me on my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. You can see a lot of videos about science and technology. I have a good videos here and everything is free. Follow me. So I am gonna explain you how it does work. So we have an information here with Windows Server standard and Datacenter. You can use these cases, and you also have the cards for User Pro. The contract number is this. You have to use it on the administration license host on the Windows Server. If you are in my channel, I guess you know how to do it. So you have this information. That is the content you will use. It's 3647589. It's for 25 users. Okay, that was all, and I invited you to follow me, and thank you to watch my video. I will let you know the link to download this file on my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. It was all. Thank you to follow me. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.